Hi guys, I can't believe this is mine. I finally got my first digital camera. I've been wanting this for a while and I actually got it for myself, which makes it even more special. I got this camera on AliExpress and it took like 2-3 weeks to get here. Let me just say 3 weeks because it was a lot more than 2 weeks. It came with this SD card which was 32 gigabytes. I heard you can't use more than 32 gigabytes on this camera. Not that you can't use, like it's not advisable. Then it also came with this SD card reader, but unfortunately this SD card reader was not working when I received it, so I'm not really happy about this, but it's okay. So you guys, moving on to the camera. So this is the Kodak PixPro FZ55. It came with a user manual. It also came with this is the cord for charging the camera, and then it also came with this what they call this camera, this thing that they used to use to hold it in hand. They came with this battery and then the camera. You guys, I still can't believe that this camera is mine. I got it in color black because I just wanted something that would be very clean and simple. It's really lightweight, it's not too big, it's small, perfect for carrying around and filming anytime. I got this should I say like a screen protector for the camera, and I tried installing it, although I did rubbish, but if at all it's going to stay. And I also got this silicone I also got this brown case. I think it's like a silicone case or something. Yeah, I don't know why I picked color brown. I just wanted something very simple and would also not get dirty easily. So this is me installing the screen protector. I did nonsense through, like not like as if I did nonsense, but like a professional would have done it better than what I did, but it's okay. It took me a while for me to figure out how to put the battery in because I was just turning and trying, but I think I got it after some time. I wanted a camera that's easy to use but still gives that nice soft digital quality, especially for my content. I'm so excited to start creating with this. This is actually a very big step for me, and I know it's just the beginning, but I can't wait to see how my content levels up from here. The quality of this camera, it's nice. I'm not even going to lie to you guys. You guys are going to see the picture and video quality at the end of this video. So if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. In my next video, I'm going to be vlogging with this camera by the special grace of God, so you guys should stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So you guys, I'm streaming right now. God, I beg oh. So I'm streaming. Big facts. So thank you so much, Big Faxa. Thank you, Big Faxa. You guys, I'm streaming right now, and I'm so tired. Oh, mine could be the one making noise. Who's that person? Who said I'm making noise?